Hi, I'm Danielle Gallant with Guardian Realty, and today we're going to talk about ongoing maintenance. So I've got a handful of owners that have multiple properties, and they understand the importance of maintaining the house. So throughout the year, we might be doing some just preventative maintenance, like painting the fascia because it's good to keep that wood sealed. But then also at the turns, like at vacancies, these particular owners will choose to take one house a year and update the bathrooms and update the kitchens. There's a couple reasons to do that. First, you want to reinvest in probably your most important asset. Second, it also helps us to be able to identify any issues that you can't necessarily always see. So when you remove countertops and really get in behind the walls, you can see like maybe there's some water damage and deterioration of the wood. So this way it allows us to really get in and maintain the integrity of the home, as well as aesthetically it looks really nice. And so over the years, things become outdated or even more outdated. So something that you saw in the 90s, maybe in the early 2000s wouldn't look that old, but now that we're like getting closer to like 2025, it's going to look even older. So it helps with tenants being more proud of the homes that they rent, and it helps them take extra care in caring for it. So we always encourage our owners to take the steps to maintain their homes, help improve their property values by reinvesting. So if you have any questions or you'd like to explore that further, we'd be happy to discuss that with you. We've got some great vendors and some really inexpensive and quick fixes. So feel free to contact us at the information below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.